What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Robbie. Today, I'm gonna be reacting to Disturb, the sound of silence. So, you know how we do it, we talk less and react more. So, let's go right in that music.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to
I really love melodies. Melodies give me ghost bump.
talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stared by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs and voices never shared, and no one dared disturb the
Wow, man, he's having an amazing voice. I like the lyrics of the song. His voice is really amazing. He sings high and low and very soft on a slow and slick melody.
sound of silence. Fools say now you do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words and I might teach you. Take my arms and I might reach you. But my words, like silent raindrops, fell and echoed in the wells of silence.
Yeah, the one drop beat. Wow. Damn, I like the song so much. The song is giving me ghost bump. The lyrics are touching my soul. They're encouraging my soul, making my soul feel so calm in there. So listen to this then and listen to the lyrics.
And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made, and the sign lashed out its warning, and the words that it was forming, and the sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenement halls, and whispered in the sound of silence.
job. The Sound of Silence, perfect music. I really love the song. I like the way he sings and the performance of the music. The stage performance was really nice. And the instrumentals are all going on really perfectly. The song is really good. What you think? Leave your comments in the comment sections and your feedback. So you know how we do it. Stay blessed. Peace and love you. Don't also forget to subscribe and hit the like button.